Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena reaffirms his commitment to protection of territorial integrity of the country at any cost. Hundreds of people, including students and sportspersons, run for unity in Manipur. Congress and other opposition parties to observe the first anniversary of Not Ban on November 8 as Black Day. And rural media workshop highlights need for objective reporting to achieve growth in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories from the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena today reaffirmed his commitment to the protection of territorial integrity at any cost and urged everyone to protect integrity of the country. The Chief Minister was speaking on the sidelines of a National Unity Day observance at Kumalampak Sports Stadium. The Department of Youth Affairs and Sports organized the event to commemorate the birth anniversary of India's Ironman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. While responding to a query regarding the centre's claim that the 7-decade-old Naga insurgency issue will be resolved soon and the panic among neighbouring states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh over the Naga demand for creation of a Greater Nagaland, Birena said the Prime Minister has repeatedly assured that the territorial integrity will not be affected at any cost. He asserted that the Manipur Assembly has already taken a firm stand to protect the territorial integrity of the state at any cost.
In the Assembly, we have taken a resolution to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state. And on that very all the political party meetings, everyone was there. Everyone. We were in Manipur. The whole political party was there. What more? I think no question doesn't arise anymore. I repeatedly again the state integrity or the national integrity have to be protected by us unitedly. Above this, Prime Minister Modi ji has assured repeatedly that the territorial integrity of Manipur will never affect by anything.
Speaking at the chief guest at the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said the day has reminded the people of the contributions made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who worked tirelessly to unite the princely state into one nation. She also administered Rashtriya Ekta Divas plate to the people and flagged off a unity run where hundreds of school students, sportspersons, civil and police officers took part.
It was the Ironman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who unified India. We are very proud that we have diversity. But this diversity became a unity because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let's pledge that we will always follow the path of freedom, unity, in spite of our diversity.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi says Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a great role in unifying the whole country and did not allow the country to divide into princely states. Modi was speaking at a function at the Major Dhanyachand National Stadium in New Delhi to mark Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary. He said the history of Sardar Patel will never be forgotten and unity is part of the future of the country. The Prime Minister also said some people tried to ensure the contribution of Sardar Patel is forgotten, but the youth of India respect him and his contribution towards the building of the nation. Modi also appealed to people to resolve to make a new India when the country will celebrate its 75th anniversary of independence in 2022. The Prime Minister also administered the oath of unity to thousands of children who gathered at the stadium for a run for unity. A flag of the run in which a large number of people, including sports personalities, participated. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren had urged the people to leave behind divisive thoughts. Speaking at the National Unity Day marking the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, the Chief Minister maintained that the representatives elected by people constitute the government. Biren also inspected the parade. Biren also administered the oath of unity with the people present at the program. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs, top police and civil officers and officials attended the event.
Mailay Bangal have or Puki have a legend of Kaitala. I got amateur where all Manipuri and a Limatam to the or lady name at the sitter. And I'm not forced to make a book. To I don't know what. Machitana Bagiwana, Lapamatam the Apamado, Tabums, Kariginomana, Tabums in the sense, Confronto, the Karigima Macheta has a mother.
The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was also observed at the Deputy Commissioner's Office Complex, Chandal District. District Administration, in association with Nehru Yuva Kendra, Chandal organized the event. DC Chandal Krishna Kumar flagged off a run for unity from Indoor Stadium, Jauphao Bazaar. Speaking on the occasion, the DC urged the people to fight against anti-social elements to bring development in the district. Police, Manipur Rifles, Assam Rifles, village chiefs, representatives of different CSOs and students took part in the event. The attendees took a pledge to protect unity, integrity and security of the nation and to strive hard to spread the message of peace among the people. Rashtriya Ekta Divas was also observed at Bishnupur Mini Secretariat Conference Hall today. Speaking at the event organized by District Administration Bishnupur, DC Bishnupur, Bobby Waikom said the day commemorates the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who strived for unity among ethnic groups and cultures in the country. Rashtriya Sankalp Divas was also held at DC Conference Hall. NSSL Manipur University also observed the National Unity Day Rashtriya Ekta Divas at the university today. Vice-Chancellor of the university, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, led the students in paying floral tributes to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Many students from the university and colleges attended the event. Later, students took out a Unity Day rally from the university campus to Kakwa. BJP Manipur Pradesh also observes a Rashtriya Ekta Divas on the theme We Should Unite. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flagged off the run for unity from Iboyaima Shumang Lila Shanglen at Palace Compound. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit also took part in the run, which passed through Sanjenthong and Nithepak Chutek before reaching the BJP Manipur Pradesh office. Speaking to media persons ahead of the run, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said the whole country is commemorating the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel today. To mark the occasion, a run for unity has been organized at Imphal, as like in every state in the country, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
भारत ने नुंगाइरिबा भारत ने चौथोक्चरिबा भारत ने मपांगल कलिबा पृथ्वी की डेवलप कंट्री सिंग कम्पीट तौबा ngamaibase masi si Balabai Patel gi adugumba magi dedication magi commitment aduna masi all India da India government led by Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji akoi mafam punamakta state khuding makta pangthoi ayam naina paujel pining masi unity ina ekoi gi pangal pi unity na ekoi gi shakti pi aduna ekoi amatto ina punna kaidana ekoi punna leiminagadabani haibase masi mayam dai paujel pijaninge.
Assam Rifles and Central Reserve Police Force also organized a unity run in connection with National Unity Day. IG Bikram Sehgal of CRPF headquarters and Brigadier J.S. Bainsla of 9th Sector Assam Rifles and Arjuna Wardi Oinam Bembem flagged off the run from the Kangla Fort. More than 1,000 runners, including personals of Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, Manipur Police and school students took part in the unity run. Speaking at the event, IG Bikram Sehgal said the day marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who struggled for the unity of the nation. He appealed for joint efforts of the people to fight threats on the security of the country.
बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, बहुत ही हर्ष की बात है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि जिस प्रकार यहां पर हर एक धर्म के लोग, हर एक राज्य के लोग और सभी अलग अलग विभिन्न जातियों के मणिपुर के लोग यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा संकेत है कि हम सब एक साथ और एकदम यूनाइटेड हैं और हमें किसी को बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है कि इस अनेकता में जो एकता भारत में दिखाई देती है वो आज हमें यहाँ पर दिख रही है.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC observes the 33rd death anniversary of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Congress Bhavan today. MPCC President T.N. Haukip and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi led the Congress workers in offering floral tributes to the portrait of the late Prime Minister. The party workers also pledged to contribute to the development and to protect the integrity of the country. Congress and other opposition parties in Manipur will observe the first anniversary of a knot ban on November 8 as Black Day. MPCC President T.N. Haukip said the decision was taken at the non-BJP all-political party meeting held at Congress Bhavan today. He said the opposition parties in the country will observe the day as Black Day to protest the effect of demonetization on the economy and lives of people in the country, including the death of 105 persons following demonetization and implementation of GST. He said other opposition parties can also join in the protest. T.N. Haukip said an observation subcommittee of Black Day on demonetization has been formed and Congress MLA Govindas Konthaujam has been appointed as chairman of the committee.
Demonetized loans toba numit 8 November 8 PM dagi horaga chatharak pasi aphabagi damak oibra haina mayamna khanbadu ulta da laktuna ekhoi gi nation gi oiba company sing small scale industry sing aduga farmer sector common man mathang sok pasida national leader singna khannaraga lakadoba November tarik nipan se Black Day on demonetization haina dharna procession rally chat kadauri adumain todana ekhoi su Manipur da non BJP opposition political party mayam pul leraga observe toba haina yanare.
Responding to media query, Tien Haokip said NPF MLA and Parliamentary Secretary Awangbo Numai attended the all political party meeting held on October 28. However, he maintained that, as claimed by Marung Makunga, who is the state president of NPF, Awangbo Numai cannot represent the party at the party.
Ekoin ubuda awangbo ningmai na yaubadu parliamentary secretary ama oiri hai mamali aduga next day da kari lai NPF morung makungana ma yaubu yaudubadu mawa lode maramdi asengba NPF ki president di aini yaroi nagagi interest against the chatpa meeting du hai na tora even na so akanakan ba wanga nga adu ibutare migi imungni ekoi karisu Hainingai leite tobo budi election commissioner of Indiana morung makunga gi boss Nagaland gi president du oina recognize tobo di mali.
Governor Dr. Nachma Habtullah has greeted Kukichin Mizo community on the occasion of Kut Festival 2017. In her message, the governor said the festival symbolizes peace, harmony and unity, transcending the barriers of caste, creed, or religion, and wish the spirit of Kut will embrace one and all to strengthen the social fabric and bring prosperity to all the communities in the state. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has greeted the people of Manipur, especially Kukichin Mizo community, on the occasion of Kut Festival 2017. In his message, Biren said Kut, the biggest post-harvest festival of the community, is an occasion of thanksgiving to God for the harvest. He wished that the festival will bring love, peace, compassion and forgiveness among the people of Manipur. Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar also greeted the people on the occasion of Kut Festival. He hoped that the festival will bring love, peace and prosperity among the people of Manipur. Works Minister T.S. Biswajit greeted the Kukichin Mizo community on the occasion of Kut. The minister, in his message, wished for peace and communal harmony in the state. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen and Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar also greeted the people on the occasion of Kut. In their messages, the minister said the post-harvest festival will spread this message of peace, harmony, friendship and brotherhood among various communities in the state. The Manipur Pradesh Congress Party and BJP Manipur Pradesh also wished the people on the occasion of Kut Festival. Major General Virendra Singh, IGAR South, also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Kut Festival. In a message, he hoped that the festival will spread the message of love, peace, harmony and peaceful coexistence among all ethnic groups. It's time for a small commercial break. Coming after the break is a rural media workshop organized by Press Information Bureau today, stressing the need for objective reporting by media persons. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. Rural media workshops organized by Press Information Bureau today highlighted the need for objective reporting by media persons to ensure progress in the state. The PIB Imphal organized a one-day rural media workshop at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound. In her inaugural address, a Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East, T.H. Chitra, lauded the role of media persons. She appealed to media persons to collect information from the reliable sources from the departments concerned while reporting any departmental story, and also to intimate the concerned authorities regarding the matter to ensure that any issues can be resolved together. Deputy Director of MSME DI Imphal, D. Mitra, gave a PowerPoint presentation on credit link, capital subsidy schemes and also held interaction session with the media persons. Responding to a query by Impact News regarding action being taken to clear doubts among the people regarding credit-linked capital subsidy scheme, D. Mitra said, MSME Imphal is making all-out efforts to create awareness among the people. He said, holding of public meetings and distribution of leaflets containing information regarding the scheme is inevitable and that the media has to play a major role regarding the same. Former manager of Manipur Rural Bank, KH Yashkul, spoke on Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, while Director of Ayush, Dr. A. Guneshwar, spoke on development of Ayush treatment and NAM and interacted with media persons. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra, enlightened, spoke on Act East policy at the workshop.
Press kari haira katori bano, horen print electronic media da kari haina ulak katori bano hai basi kangning ba adagi reporting kar haina tor bano hai basi khoyamna khawra na ngai sabang aktani most reliable oiba source tagi information si lobi baga loina na aduga hena madu mapung phana akhoi concrete oiba adagi pot se puthorok pa yana na ba sai gi authority ori baduda kitang su magi room mama pibiraga Sagi ports, Sagi labor information see, Karino Hibase, Amutang Tambiram Base, Masina, Koi Punna Hain, press media, any information see Quigi, check and balance Sama, Tamaga, Hena Pasaba report Amo Oigadra.
District Handloom and Textile Office Imphal East, under the sponsorship of Directorate of Handloom and Textile, today organized a one-day awareness program on handloom and handicrafts delivery and mudra loan at Kurai Laikhulembi Mandap. Speaking at the awareness program, Kurai MLA L. Susindra said, if loanees do not maintain the habit of returning loans on time, banks will not be willing to give loans. He said the centre has introduced mudra loan schemes to benefit the women weavers by offering them financial assistance to establishing their business. He said women weavers can avail loans if they have Aadhaar cards, voter cards and bank accounts. He reiterated that such schemes will ensure self-employment opportunities to people.
State cooperative banks da koi paisa mayam thame sumba loan mayam sine pitharaga matam chana singba thadaba makunda thadada vida thadara de makunda thadara ganda ne paisa singa bangam drise avna thadaba makunda chap chana thadara de paisa da dum singa bangam ne ba avna hojiki paisa je lobi ra kanda singa pagi thabak si yaudra de bank ju hingaroi ada mayam ju hingaroi singbo singa de Manipur da India ki North Eastern Manipur se masjid bank na paisa thada India karigino haga singdabagi.
All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee drew the attention of the government to the proposed construction of a district and session court at a site allotted for construction of a masjid near Wino Bazaar in Ukrul. President of AMMO COC SM Jalal today told media persons at the committee's office at Hatha that the government in 1995 allotted the 40 by 32 feet site for construction of a masjid and they have given the premium. However, the Ukrul District Bar Association CJM Ukrul Joint Secretary Law and SDO Ukrul approached the Secretary of Ukrul Masjid Committee to relocate the proposed masjid elsewhere on October 26. Legal advisor of MMCOC, Advocate Mohammad Rabi Khan, told media persons today that the order issued by government in 2016 for construction of district and session court did not in any way affect the site for the masjid. AMMO-COC appealed to the government to clarify the land demarcation for construction of district and session court scheduled on November 8.
Government masana lawkiba order dugi mayokta law department masamagna legal consequence lakani haidana ki khang piraga sumaina thangjaliba khongthangse masi government na matam chana masi check tobiyu laiba that to sida pangan gi civil society organization mayam gi oiba akhoi gi apunma mifama ma pangthok sagani kupna akhoi ꯅꯩꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯅꯤ
ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯅꯝꯐꯨꯗ ꯃꯁꯖꯤꯗꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ इवैक्यूएट तौखिबा थोकप तारगदी मणिपुर की नतना इंडिया दा अचौबा मुस्लिम सिंगी सेंगलब मस्जिद अमबु नमदना लौथोखी हाइना अमुबा हिस्ट्री अमा लेखिगनी मदुदगी थोनिंगदबा थौदोक थोकप मतमदा सरकार दसु ना सारोय हाइंगाय लेते मसी थोकतनगाय सरकार ना मतम चाना सेंगदोकफम
Jiribam MLA Asabuddin asserted that Bengali-speaking people in the constituency are not Manipuris and demanded to find out the reason behind the rise in number of outsiders in Jiribam. Asabuddin was speaking at the felicitation of Adaksha of Jiribam, KH Janaki, Pradhans and members at his official residence at Babupara today. He appealed to the Jilla Parishads, Pradhans and members to work together to bring peace and development in the constituency.
Jiribam ki इतिहास ता कितंग मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन अमा याम तोइना खबर दा अमा मते याम तोइना ताई मसिसु फे मयाम चंग अचुम बदे थिदोक्स अगोगी बेंगोली स्पीकिंग पीपल सिंगसे मणिपुरीनी हाबदी लोग बदा कितंग ग्रुप खरानी यानिंग दो खराब से लाइबा मसिगी अचुम बसे खंदो को मसे दरकार होय अंदक अगोगी बेंगोली स्पीकिंग पीपल अमा मागी मपा मापुगी हक तक के जिरिबाम दे लाइरे अरे इम्फाल दा लाक मतम द चिंगने बम हेक्टर फावेबा हादि पुलिस सिंग दा अमा म इंट्रोगेशन तबदा नत्रगा हांगबा मतम दा नके दुंगाई बांग्लादेश सिंग लापन खोतपन हाइबरिसु हांगबे लाइयेबा मसीदे अखोई थांगोई सोकप लाइबा मसे एज मणिपुरी मोना इसिंग इचावगुमना मी संग मसीदे अखोइदि उदे मी सिदि लाप तरदि सोय लाइफमदे लाइरता हादरा नौना सा पकानासु सिदा जि मणिपुर दा लाप यारोय विदाउट हैविंग एनी डॉक्यूमेंट लाप तासु मो तांतोक्से.
The 69th Information and Public Relation IPR Day will be observed at Department of Information and Public Relation Complex, Moirangkom at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Guru Shiksha Parampara training program was launched today to provide training in artistic textile, doll making, etc. under the Human Resource Development Scheme at Kangla Hall today. Parliamentary Secretary Lesio Kaishing and MLA K. Robindro opened the training program organized by Marketing and Service Extension Center of Office of the Development Commissioner, Handicrafts. Assistant Director of Development Commissioner, Handicrafts, General Manager of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited, representatives of handicraft NGOs, trainers and trainees attended the event. 16 trainers will provide training in toy and doll making, artistic textile, cotton cloth, artistic tribal textile, pottery to 240 trainees from different areas of the state. A 15-day sensitization program to raise awareness on various schemes provided by Agriculture Department among the farmers was held today at Salam Maning Laikai Community Hall, Lamshang. District Agriculture Officer Imphal West organized the program. Director of Agriculture Development Department, P.H. Rajendra said 10 new schemes have been introduced by the Ministry of Agriculture to double the income of farmers by 2022 as targeted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also said it is necessary to raise awareness on the schemes and their benefits among the farmers. Rashtriya Krishi Vigyan Yojana, National Food Security Mission, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana and electronic marketing of agricultural products are some of these schemes. He appealed to farmers to collect soil health cards from the nearest district agricultural office to get the benefits of the schemes. Officials of Agriculture Technology Management Agency ATMA and Rashtriya Krishi Vigyan Yojana also spoke on the benefits of the schemes. Deputy Chairman of State Planning Board S. Razen, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhail Akhtar also attended the event.
Yuanbagi awabasi hanaki inamsi introduce ognan bagoy kana honari masinuba success already mayam po yuan mangam dabi awabasi sunglei le roi po yuan bagi awaba le baganda department haibiu adu manana office da haibiu sali ba sahi digi hauna koina pakhali ba department hoji pakhali ba wing scheme tara se masimani pugi kasin ko ya yauna domi sina masi khangmin dana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯧꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯁꯣꯊꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯨꯖꯥꯛꯇ ꯁꯣꯊꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯁꯣꯊꯍꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯐꯨꯒꯠꯇꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯗꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
Special Handloom Expo 2017, which began on October 16 at Panthoibi Arcade, Wangkai, organized by Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Department Development Corporation Limited, concluded today. Speaking at the closing event, Officer in Charge, Imphal Weavers Service Center, C. Rajasekaran, highlighted the need to promote handloom and handicraft products of the state. He said the handloom and the handicraft products of Manipur are appreciated by people of different states. However, the products are not available in the markets due to lack of promotion. A total number of 35 stalls were opened at the expo, sponsored by the Development of Commissioner for Handlooms, Ministry of Textile, Government of India. The 10th fortnight barrier-free campaign organized by Barrier-Free Campaign Committee from the 16th of this month concluded today at Manipur Press Club. Co-convener of the committee, Sapam Jasobanta, said the campaign was organized to empower the differently abled and elderly persons so that they can lead an independent life without any fear. He lamented that discrimination against differently abled persons is still prevalent in the state. He said people need to change their mindset and help the differently abled persons lead a normal life. A workshop on No Accessibility, No Achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 2030 was also held.
Amasoibasing amadi ahalo irabasingna chathok chasin tauba amadi makoina nungtigi pangthokpa thabak thoramsingda aki akhang amadi asok apan yaudana maning tamna izat laina thabak kudimak pangthokpa ngamjananaba adugumba phimama koi manipuri khunaida semgatnanabagi aduga loinana akoigi hana lairamba wakhalon adu hongdoktuna anauba wakhalonda changsanminaraga koi nama soibasingsu manaba khunai amada punna hingminaba punna saruk yaminaba aduguma khunai ama semgatnanabagi-damak akhoi hairiba thoramsingsi koi pangthokjabani.
Southeast Asian Cultural Organization SICO observed the 3rd Cultural Revivalist Day in memory of the forefathers who were punished by the kings in their struggle to revive Sanamahi Fete at Pakhangwa Community Hall, Luang Sambam, Makhalekai. President of SICO, Kolomcha Achobi Kuman, said Sanamahi followers were regarded as untouchables and were ostracized from the society.
Inat ihusida ro dodang yarpa hansimbu thokba mangi haneng thukbiraba chemu dargan alpa madpu amasung pasakara piriga chengko kodongni ka haidana haku ya thung pi ki ban sing do koina bite inatu hongna nan chan be midaba indokna mangi hanon thanbia kharwa hansing koi punamaki saktu sida akoi nai kai phunabam thui heba wakhalorda sikona mathang mathang lepna puna sei ohumsi Publicity
Committee Korkom in the press release said RPF President I. Chowren has been unanimously elected as Korkom's convener at the 18th Korkom meeting held from October 5th, 25th to 30th. He will hold the post for 2 years starting from November 2nd, 2017. DAMMS Delhi felicitated Director of DM Community College, Dr. Rahejuddin Sheikh, who has been awarded the Best Director Award at Kaushal Kendra Community College on October 29th. The felicitation was held at the Jamia Millia Islamia University. Film Forum Manipur in the press release said it has imposed ban on Kudumbam Ajit from Kishamthong, Irompukri Mapal, and producer of Ningthem Pokpa Film Production, Mairembam Priyoberta from Moirang Mairembam Laikai for violating the rules and guidelines of the forum. Now the sports news. The stage is set for the quarter-final matches of the SUF Junior Girls National Football Championship. In the 18th league match of the championship played today at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, Bihar routed Chhattisgarh by 3-1 to enter the quarterfinals. For the winners, Kajal Kumari, Pallavi Kumari and Jyoti Kumari netted a goal each in the 40th, 80th and 90+2 minutes of the match. The lone goal of Chhattisgarh team was netted by Priyanka Futan in the 67th minute of the match. In the last league match of the championship, Kerala thrashed Tamil Nadu by 5-1 this afternoon. For the winners, Nandana Krishnan netted 3 goals in the 32nd, 55th and 58th minutes of the match, while Arya and Ajusa Sarin netted 1 goal each in the 5th and 11th minute of the match. 21 teams coming from different states of the country are participating in the football championship organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation. In the first quarter-final match on the November 2nd, Chandigarh will play Bihar, while in the second quarter-final, Delhi will face Maharashtra. In the third quarter-finals, Odisha will play Kerala, and in the fourth quarter-final match, Manipur will face West Bengal. Headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren reaffirms his commitment to protection of territorial integrity of the country at any cost. Hundreds of people, including students and sportspersons, run for unity in Imphal. Congress and other opposition parties to observe the first anniversary of Not Ban on November 8 as Black Day. And rural media workshop highlights need for objective reporting to achieve growth in the state.